going, guys? It is Kane here, also known as 20th Century Fox Fan 2006, and welcome to a mega VHS, DVD, Blu-ray, Wiggles merchandise, and video game update for, what's the date today? Thursday, the 11th of July, 2024. So, in this update, I'm going to be doing this in a different way. So, what you're seeing right now are all the VHS tapes that I got today. So, I'll be showing you the VHS tapes first. Then, in another part of this video, I'll be showing off the DVDs. In another part, the Blu-rays. Another part, the games. And, like the other random stuff that I got, you know. So, without any further ado, in total, I have 9 VHS tapes to get along with. So, let's get started. So, the first one I have is a Mr. Bean VHS. And it's the final frolics of Mr. Bean. This is a UK VHS. This came out in 1996. Here's the tape. And inside shows Mr. Bean and his daddy. And then the rest of them are all Fox releases. First up with Oklahoma. It's in a blue case. Looks nice. I think that's Grand Canyon. 1991 VHS. Oh, I forgot to mention the reason why I showed Oklahoma first, because this came out, the movie originally came out in 1956, but then as with this, this is from 1991. Even though the VHS for Oklahoma is from 1999. But I am struggling to open this. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Got it. Here's the tape, and ooh, whoa, that is cool. Probably the oldest Fox Video VHS I have probably right now. Oh, close it later. We have My Fair Lady. If I remember correctly, this is actually a Warner Brothers movie, I think. But this is a Fox Video VHS. The VHS, this one came out in 1992, but the movie originally came out in 1964. Rising Sun. I also have this on DVD. And LJ Network has this on DVD, whilst Jeremy Snyder, Bondface 2002 had it on Blu-ray. Walk in the Clouds. This one came out in 1995, but the VHS came out in 1996. Also came with this little card. I have all of these, but I have 9 months of VHS. I'm showing you this one right now. I have Speed on VHS. The rest of them I have on DVD. But Bondface 2002 does not like this movie here because he does not find it funny. Anna and the King. Label's falling off. Whatever. A Destiny of Her Own. Anna and the King. 1999 movie, but the VHS came out in 2001. This one is 1998 movie, but 2000 VHS. And the last VHS I have is Where the Heart Is, which, spoiler alert, but this is actually a movie I'm actually going to show on the DVDs. I actually got this on DVD today as well. Also, look at the 20th Century Fox logos on the back. Home Entertainment logo is smaller. There we go. So that was the VHS tapes. So I'm going to go away and get the DVDs ready, and I'll show you the DVDs I got. Alright, so here are all the DVDs. So, as you can tell, I didn't really put them in by specific order. But, without any further ado, let's get started. So we have Meet Dave. Bondface 2002 has this. We have a 3-movie pack. It features Mighty Morphin Power Rangers from 1995. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2: Secret of the Ooze from 1991. Yep. And Turbo Power Rangers from 1997. The DVD itself came out in 2007. Also, for Meet Dave, the movie came out in 2008. Star Wars: The Padawan Menace, Lego Star Wars. This came out in 2011. The Other Guys. Oh, come on. Family Guy Season 3. Not going to show the inlay because it take too long. Season 5 of Family Guy. I'm not going to say the years for the rest of them again because waste of time. March of the Penguins. I know LJ Network got this on Blu-ray not long ago. Our Family Wedding. Hang on. National Security. LJ Network has this on Blu-ray. Other movies available to buy. I have Bad Boys on DVD, as well as Bad Boys 2. Spider-Man Homecoming. Oddball. Life of the Party. LJ Network has this on Blu-ray. Elf. The complete first season of Lie to Me. Top Gun. LJ Network has this on 4K, as well as Blu-ray. The French Connection. LJ Network also has this, but on VHS. Season 19 of Family Guy. Now, you remember earlier when I showed you the VHS of Where the Heart Is? Well, there's the DVD version. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I think this is not to be confused with the TV show because it has different writing, but oh, for God's sake. Wally. Now for the last DVD. You might be pretty surprised with this one because this DVD is actually from the US. John Wayne double feature. It even still has the Walmart sticker from the US. I'm definitely gonna leave it sealed. But yeah, that was the DVDs. Now I'm gonna go away again. Now I'm gonna show you the Blu-rays. Back in a moment. Alright, so I got the Blu-rays, and just ignore the VHS because I got that just to stand the Blu-rays up. But let's get started. Never mind. We have the Lincoln layer. LJ Network has this. The Scorpion King. iRobot. LJ Network also has this. Why Him? The Descendants. Two Guns. The extended edition of The Martian. Runner Runner. Bonface 2002 has this. The Mountain Between Us. Scorpion King 2, Rise of a Warrior. Aloha. LJ Network and Bonface 2002 has this. Homeland, the complete second season. My first 20th Century Fox television Blu-ray ever acquired. I also have the complete first season of Homeland on DVD, which I did do the opening to that. Australia. Venom. Stomp the Yard. Daddy's Home. Hang on a second. Just had to get the tape off. Daddy's Home 2. And the last Blu-ray is actually a Blu-ray from the US, but I'm going to keep this for collecting purposes only. Romeo and Juliet. And yes, this is an actual Blu-ray from the United States of America. So that is the Blu-rays. So now I'm going to go away again, and I'm going to organize all the merchandise stuff that I found, including the Wiggle stuff. Back in a moment. Alright, so back again. Ready to show the other items I got. And yes, I'm filming back on my desk. So I'm going to show you the Wiggles items I found. So you may notice one, I bet there's one that some of you Wiggles fans may be eyeballing for a bit, but this is one of the items I got here. This is a keyboard. This is from 2013. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yep. And then I know I could have added this with the DVDs, but it is a Wiggles DVD, and it's in the same era, and it's Let's Eat from 2010. Oh no, yeah, 2010. I thought it was 2011. But the catalog number is R1105519. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. Here's the disc. So, those were the Wiggles items, and now I'm going to show you the two video games that I got today. So, I got one for the PS4 and one for the console I use for my DVD openings, which is a PlayStation 3. So I'll show you the PS3 game, and it is one that I remember playing as a kid, and I finally got it back. That's right, for all you Sonic the Hedgehog fans out there, it's Sonic Generations from 2011. The catalog numbers are 01236 and 7014804. Here's the front. Oh, I forgot to show you. Look at this. Hologram. But is the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. Two Sonics, two ways to play. This Sonic game basically celebrated its 20-year anniversary of Sonic the Hedgehog. But here's the cover itself. Oh. Here's the disc, and inside shows some leaflets which I'll not be showing you. And then the PS4 game I got is Drive Club from 2000 and... Oh, there's a sticker blocking it. It's rated G and contains gaming experience that may change online. The catalog number is 0003 and 9276678. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. Here's the disc, and so shows another leaflet which I'll not be showing you. Now I'm going to show you some other items that I got. So I'm going to show you a fidget toy that I got. And I actually got this at an arcade. I actually went to an arcade. I got this. This is one of those Poppet sensory toy things, which I'm surprised they had this. I used to have the one with the 3 poppets on it, but I do not have it anymore. So I got the one with the 2 poppets as a replacement. I may get the 3 poppet one day, but I have the double poppet one at the moment, and there's no keychain clip. Now I'm going to show you something that you guys haven't really seen before, but I got these because it looked pretty cool. So I bet you're familiar with the Cars, Disney Cars movie franchise, right? Well, I actually got 2 Disney car die-cast cars because I just find them pretty cool. And I have a pretty cool Lightning McQueen one. And it actually came out to stores not long ago from what I remember. And here it is. So this is the new GRC Races series. So as you can tell, this is Lightning McQueen. There's also a Francesco Bernoulli, but the store I got this from had Francesco as well, but I only got McQueen. Really like the detail on McQueen. It looks very cool. I'm pretty sure there was also a playset that was like this that had McQueen and Francesco, but they were plastic. And then I got another Disney Cars die-cast car, but it is a character from Cars on the Road. No, it is not like McQueen, but it's actually one of the main characters from Cars 3, and it's Cruz Ramirez. Ha ha ha. Yes, I got the Cruz Ramirez I got Cruz Ramirez from Cars on the Road. She looks very cool, especially with the gold finish. I will not be opening this as well as the Darcy McQueen because I want to keep them in the box. So that is it. That was today's update for Thursday, the 11th of July, 2024. So, do you like my content? If you do, then be sure to do the following. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when the next video pops up on the channel. And once you've done that, you will be notified for when a new video is on my channel. So I'll see you mates in the next video. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye.